cooking up a classic corned beef or making quick pickles, everything tastes better when you use your own homemade pickling spice. Black peppercorns, mustard seeds, and a few other ingredients come together in less than 5 minutes to deliver a ton of flavor. Oh yeah, and I'm Lena Brazil, and you are watching Evolving Table, where we make healthier spins on classic recipes. So let's jump straight in and get to mixing. Many of the ingredients you'll see here today can either be purchased in the spice aisle at your grocery store, or if you're lucky and have a store with a bulk section, you can find the items there. They're normally much cheaper when you buy them in bulk, and you can also grab as much or as little as you need. To make the pickling spice, you'll want to get either a medium-sized bowl or the jar that you'll be storing it in. Add 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of allspice berries, 4 bay leaves that have been crushed, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 4 whole cloves that have been crushed, half a teaspoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of dill seeds. This can also be left out if you don't want any dill flavor. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined. Add a teaspoon or 2 to a jar of pickles, or sprinkle it on an Instant Pot corned beef brisket. You can also store any extra in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to a year. Avoid placing it over the stove top, as heat can ruin the flavor of the mix. Before using, gently shake or tumble the jar to ensure the spices are evenly mixed. Now that you've got your pickling spice, it's time to go use it up in some of these recipes right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.